Well, you have all your notes ready and you study well for your exams. But wait, that's when your exams are almost 15 to 20 days away. But how about then when your exams are just 2 or 1 day later? Or how about just few hours later? What do you do then? Friends, we are here once again to help you with some of the most effective and helpful tips that you can implement, which will help you in not only scoring good marks in the exam, but will also help you in your last minute exam tips. Stay tuned with us till the end. Number 1. Mind mapping. Mind maps are very useful and helpful way of revising at the last minute. Mind maps is basically a technique where you keep drawing or at least write down what you understood from a particular chapter that you have studied earlier. See, I know that it's the last moment and hence the more you burden yourself, the more you'll keep forgetting. Therefore, to avoid that, you need to look for something fun yet a helpful way of revising what you've studied, and that is mind mapping. Number 2. Explain your answers. See, since it's your last minute of studying, you should definitely try this technique because this technique actually works wonders. According to a research, students who spend their time teaching what they've learned actually show better understanding and knowledge retention than students who spend the same time restudying. Hence, for your last minute studying tip, this is helpful. Number 3. Rest for your back-to-back exams. Since your exams could also be back-to-back and hence you will also have to by heart or revise, it is important for you to remember that you need to take some rest. As much as time that you are putting in your studying period, they say that sleep is like a food for your brain. Yes, believe it or not, but the hippocampus, which is also a part of the brain, is in charge of forming new memories and that is the most active while you're asleep. Hence, take some break and rest for a while. Number 4. Last minute review notes. For those of you who struggle to get all their notes sorted and for those who panic when they cannot find their notes at the right time, we have a solution for you. Make some last minute review notes which have some keywords or important points of that chapter. This will help you to remember big answers in a short period and will also save you a lot of stress and panic right before going for an exam. Number 5. Relax and stay positive. One thing that you need the most right now is some positivity. Friends, I do know that all this while you had your online exams and now you were so confident that you were going to do well. But then the offline exam started and you got a little panicky. Trust me, if I were in your place, I would have done the same thing. But to be very honest, this doesn't help in the long run, as negativity can allow you to not remember even what you have studied. Hence, relax a little bit and don't worry about what you haven't studied, but rather follow these tips and do great in your exams. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and all the very best.